What's the meaning of cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. A cheeseburger is a type of hamburger that includes cheese as a topping. It typically consists of a ground beef patty that is cooked and then placed between two slices of bread, usually a bun. Cheese is then added to the top of the patty, creating a savory and satisfying meal. Cheeseburgers are a popular dish in many countries around the world and can be found on the menus of fast food restaurants and diners alike. They are a classic comfort food that is enjoyed by many.